The sum of the zeros of a quadratic is negative b over a. The product of the zeros is c over a. And the sum of the coefficients of the function are equal. So a plus b plus c, they are all equal. Now they're asking, all this is boiling down to what is the question? Well, they are equal, so let's examine these at a time. Well, what can you tell? Can you tell negative b is equal to c? Right? So instead of c, I can use negative b. So let me use it here. So this, instead of c, I will use negative b. That is equal to a. This is a very interesting conclusion we draw here. The whole thing is equal to a. Anything else we can conclude here? Let's see. Is that enough? Okay, these things are, we got three things that are equal to each other. The common value, there's the value that is common in all three, must also be which of the following? The coefficient of x, a. Well, that's what it is. So we are done. It's too easy. Now let's check others here. The coefficient of x is b. Is it b? No, it didn't become b. The y-intercept of the graph. Y-intercept is when you plug in x equals 0. If you plug in 0 here, it's c. So this is a hard way of saying c, and it is not equal to c. It's equal to a. One of the x-intercepts of the graph. One of the roots, I don't know what it is. That would be negative b plus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Certainly it's not this, so it's out. The mean of the x-intercepts of the graph. This is interesting here. To find mean, you got to add these two, then divide by 2. That's how you find the mean of any two numbers, right? So you would be adding these two intercepts, but then again, this is the sum. So if you want to find the mean, you would divide by 2, which would make it different from this. So this is out. So A is the answer.